Welcome back to Mobile Munch. Today, we're diving into the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, a mid-range smartphone that's packed with impressive features and cutting-edge technology. Stick around to find out why this could be your next go-to device. Design and build. The Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus boasts a sleek design with a 6.67-inch AMOLED display. With a resolution of 1220 by 2712 pixels and a 120Hz refresh rate, this screen is perfect for all your multimedia needs. The display supports HDR10+, Dolby Vision, and can reach a peak brightness of 3000 nits. The phone is available in 3 stunning colors: black, white, and green, with a stylish matte finish that resists fingerprints. Weighing 210.8 grams and with a thickness of 8.7 millimeters, it feels comfortable and premium in hand. The device is also IP68, IP69K dust, water resistant, making it durable for everyday use. Performance and storage. Under the hood, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7's Gen 3, 4 nanometers chipset, paired with 12GB or 16GB of RAM. This ensures smooth performance whether you're gaming, multitasking, or streaming. It comes with options for 256GB or 512GB of internal storage. The phone runs on Android 14 with HyperOS, offering a smooth and customizable user experience. The device supports up to 3 major Android upgrades. Camera capabilities. The camera setup is where things get interesting. The Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus features a triple camera system with a 50MP main camera with PDAF and OIS, a 50MP telephoto camera with 2.5x optical zoom, and an 8MP ultra-wide camera. For selfies, there's a 20MP front camera. Both front and rear cameras support 4K video recording at 2430 fps and 1080p video recording at 60/120 fps, ensuring you capture stunning photos and videos with gyro eyes and OIS. Battery and charging. The Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus is equipped with a 6200 mAh battery, ensuring you get through your day without needing to recharge constantly. When you do need to charge, the phone supports 90W wired fast charging, getting you back up and running in no time. Unique features. One standout feature of the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus is its IP68, IP69K rating for dust and water resistance, making it durable for everyday use. Additionally, it has stereo speakers with 24-bit, 192 kHz high-res audio, providing an immersive audio experience. The phone also features an under-display fingerprint sensor, adding a touch of modern convenience. Conclusion. So, is the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus the mid-range phone for you? With its powerful performance, impressive camera setup, and sleek design, it certainly makes a strong case. Priced at about 22,990 Indian rupees, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus offers incredible value for money. If you're looking for a feature-packed smartphone without breaking the bank, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus might just be the one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. This is Mobile Munch, signing off.